Welcome back to the channel. So today it's another 2026 X3 M50. It's the top line of the G45 platform. Production for model year 26 runs through, I think, either October or November, which is a little bit unusual. So pretty long production run for model year 26. Maybe that has to do with the iX3 introduction and maybe delay in production for model year 27 X3s, which are probably going to be updated. I can't say for sure whether or not this is true, is whether this is going to get the newer class of treatment for model year 27. I guess we'll have to wait and see. So let's begin up front. Headlights. So single headlight in each of the units. We have daytime running lights that underline the light. We got the corner light there, shadow lights. Grille is blacked out, horizontal kidney slats, if you will. M badging in the grille, iconic little kidney grille. So sensor is on this side for driving assistance pro. This one does have that. Then parking assistance camera. They're part of the premium package. Let's move to the side where we got style 1037Ms. My favorite looking wheel on the X3. We have floating center caps and red M Sport calipers. Now I did mention the black emblems are new for the X3 M50, so this is part of it. So you can get it, and so you can get it as a standalone option, which one does have, or part of the, I think it's the M appearance package. You have a few of those vehicles coming in with different things. That does include the black emblems, among other things. So fender, you have the black M badge. Here's the side profile of the X3. Let's move out back. I think very good looking taillight, sort of like an evolution from the LCI G01 chassis. X3 badging in black. And same with the M50 badging. I think it's a pretty good look. And down below, our quad exhaust, black diffuser. There's that rear 3/4 view of Arctic Race Blue on X3. This was on the G35 series, also on the current generation 4 series. But let's get inside, go over pricing options on this X3 M50. So opening up, we have the black Vaganza and Alcantara. So door card, this is synthetic material. It's a soft plastic, not hard plastic like down below. Got some give to it. And you got your ambient lighting here with your handle. And then down here we have Vaganza and some contrasting blue stitching. A pretty nice touch. And then your controls here for the windows in high gloss black and scratchy black plastic down here. See up here? Not as scratchy. All right, so here are the seats on the X3 M50. So top portion in Alcantara with some contrasting blue stitching. And then some Vaganza. There's some M-striped stitching in there. And then down below, adjustments for side bolster and lumbar support. And you have a manually powered crumb catcher. And M badging here on the door sill. So in front of me, your standard M steering wheel, or M Sport steering wheel in this case. So M badging, flat bottom, stitching here in M colors. Left-hand side controls here for cruise control and assisted driving. Then your shift paddles in high gloss black. And controls for the headlights are on the turnstock here. Red stripe at 12 o'clock, and then plastic on the airbag cover. And for my iDrive 9 live cockpit and head-up display, the rest of that curved display in iDrive 9, and upper dash, some stitching here, some Vaganza, nice to the touch. Then you got your vent controls. These are open and close here, and then adjustments on where it's blowing is down here. And a little crevice here for cup holders. Wireless charging tray only on this side, and then USB-C charging ports. All right, and the trim here is the M fine brushed aluminum trim. We got your gear selector nub, iDrive controller knob in glass, and of course the wheel for the volume. There's center storage as well. You have a 12-volt socket right here, and that's it. Starting price, the 2026 X3 M50 is $66,500, paint $650. The upholstery is included. You can get merino leather if you want. Driving Assistance Pro for $1,700. M Sport Pro for $600. $27.50, the premium package. Those 21-inch wheels add another $600. The front and rear heated seats does require the climate control console in the rear. So that's $500 plus the $200 for the console. Everything else included. And then we got the luggage compartment mats, the black emblems, all weather floor mats and floating center caps. All told, MSRP of this particular example, $75,785. Then your estimated fuel economy on the X3 M50. All right, so moving to the back, no comfort access on the rear doors. Just opening up, here's the rest of that Alcantara and black Vaganza. So Alcantara on the headrest there, and part of the shoulders of the seats, more contrasting blue stitching, and stitching in M colors on the seats on either side. And there's that panoramic glass panel. Standard on the X3 M50. And optional on the base X3. And here's the view of the cockpit for the back seat. And out back, your vent controls, climate control console, 2 USB-C charging ports. Back to the front seats, you have the travel and comfort system. And a little net here for storage. Knee room, legroom, pretty good. Then headroom, not much of an issue back to the X3 either. All right, moving to the back, we do have kick to open on this one. That tailgate opens up. And then here is the cargo area. Standard cargo cover here. And you can fold down the rear seats for even more room. And down below, space saver spare. All right, so diagram there, or power take-it, just push the button and close up the thing. Let's move to the front. Take a more Arctic Race blue in the sun. I think a pretty good color, in my opinion. Under the hood here is the B58 inline-six 3-liter turbo engine, the mild hybrid. So you get 393 horsepower and 428 torques. So plenty of power in this X3 M Performance variant. Now with available black emblems. But that's it. We'll see you at the next video.